Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faith back again with another video. In today's video we're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to be doing a DIY brown sugar body scrub. So I've been using this scrub for like the past few weeks, and whenever I use it, my skin feels really exfoliated and extremely moisturized because of the oils. Like, I don't even have to put on cream or anything after. So as you see, I'm using sugar, I'm using vanilla essence because I'm using mixed essence because I don't have vanilla essence, and some oils. That's my little jar. So I added a good bit of teaspoons because later on in the video you would see that the consistency I had was a little wetty, and I didn't want it too wet because remember, you want the sugar beads to exfoliate your skin while you're scrubbing. So you want it to be grainy but also have moisture in it. So I think I added about like 7 scoops of sugar because apparently the oil I put was too much. So yeah, and just to explain, the mixed essence or vanilla essence is to give it a scent, like the vanilla scent, a sweet kind of scent, and it's really nice. Like when you scrub with it, you literally smell like it, and it's a good scent. I wish I had more scents. I'm going to get more scents though, so that I can add different scents that I'd really like to do that. So as you can see here, the texture of the scrub right now is kind of moist and not very grainy, like the oil completely soaked into the sugar, and that's why I'm adding more sugar because I don't want it to be too moist. So I think this is like the 4th or 5th spoon. So we are finally to the end of my sugar scrub making video, and this is the last consistency that the sugar is at right now, and I'm really happy with it. It's not too moist, it's not too dry, it's just a little bit of in between. So I just want to say thanks so much everybody for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe for more content.